The big yellow bus is here. Hop inside. Let's start our journey. The big round wheels go spin and spin, spin and spin, spin and spin. The big round wheels go spin and spin all around the city. The shiny doors go slide and open, slide and open, slide and open. The shiny doors go slide and open all around the city. Sing along and clap your hands. Travel across the happy lands, riding together, me and you, underneath the sky so blue. The wipers go swish and sway all day, swish and sway, swish and sway. The wipers go swish and sway all day, all around the city. The tiny lights go flash so bright, flash so bright, flash so bright. The tiny lights go flash so bright, all around the city. The little horn goes honk, 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 honk. The little horn goes honk, 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 all around the city. Can you roll your hands like the wheels? Roll, roll, roll. Can you make a sound like the horn? Honk, honk, honk. The engine goes hum and hum so sweet, hum so sweet, hum so sweet. The engine goes hum and hum so sweet, all around the city. The happy kids go bounce and cheer, bounce and cheer, bounce and cheer. The happy kids go bounce and cheer, all around the city. The passengers go nod their heads, nod their heads, nod their heads. The passengers go nod their heads, all around the city. The big round wheels go spin and spin, spin and spin, spin and spin. The big round wheels go spin and spin, all around the city. What a lovely ride today. Goodbye, yellow bus. See you tomorrow. Oh, look! The friendly white ambulance is ready. Who needs help in the animal town today? Listen to the siren. Wee woo, wee woo. Let's go save our friends. White and shiny, fast and neat, speeding down the busy street. Red light flashing bright and clear. Don't you worry, the ambulance is here. Wee woo, here I come, helping friends, every single one. Bravest little car on the rescue road, carrying a happy, helpful load. Look at the park, what do I see? A little bunny with a tiny bump knee. The bunny goes, oh, it hurts to hop. The ambulance makes a gentle stop. A soft white bandage, clean and neat, wrapped so nicely on Bunny's feet. A sip of water and a sweet carrot treat. Now Bunny's back hopping on the street. Yay! Oh no, look near the big tall tree. A little bear cub ate too much honey. His tummy hurts, he sits and cries, big round tears in his sleepy eyes. Listen to his heart with a stethoscope. A little warm soup brings brand new hope. A big warm hug and a blanket tight. Now little bear cub feels alright. Hooray! Running to the meadow, who is there? A tiny puppy tangled in the chair. Woof, woof, help me, the puppy calls. The ambulance team never falls. Wee woo, here I come, helping friends, every single one. Bravest little car on the rescue road, carrying a happy, helpful load. Bunny is hopping, bear is smiling wide. Puppy is playing right by our side. All the animal friends are safe. for the ambulance, hip hip hooray.